Hi all, and welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining in. It's much appreciated. Love seeing you coming back for more. So give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It's all down in this corner somewhere. Okay, so today we're going to do a quick FreeBSD update. So let's jump right into it then, shall we? So FreeBSD update, it's the binary way of updating. Fairly simple, straightforward. First thing we need to do is check what components that we're going to be updating. So there should be, by default, in your etc, a freebsd-update.conf. There we go. So this will tell you what components that we're going to update. So we've got world, kernel, and source, which is nice. That's pretty cool. So what we'll do then is we'll fetch those updates. So freebsd update fetch. I don't generally do it this way, but I thought for completeness, it'd be good to actually do both. This may take a few minutes, so I'll come back when it's done. Welcome back, guys. So it looks like it's downloaded everything. It will just list all the files that it's going to update, which is nice. Review those if you wish. So the next command to run would be freebsd update install. We'll come back when that's finished. It may take a while. And there we go. It's done. So next we need to just reboot that. Once we reboot, it'll be on the updated version. So if we did a uname -a before, you can see that we're on P7. So there won't be much to install because I think it's going from P7 to P7. And I'm not going to do the reboot because I've done a source update on this because I needed some extra stuff from in the kernel. But yeah, once you reboot and do a uname -a, it should show you what release you're on. And that's really it. Hope you're finding these videos useful. I know I'm enjoying making them. If you do, give it a thumbs up. It's much appreciated. Comment down in the comments section, guys. If there's stuff that you want me to do, I'm happy to do it. It's just giving me a sense of doing something helpful, and I appreciate that you're coming back and watching these videos. Much appreciated. So thumbs up, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.